Okay, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you how to set up a security sound here on your Reolink security system. As you can see, I logged on. And once you log on, only thing you have to do is go to that top left where you set a little arrow, but I'm going to go ahead and go live so you can see what the camera looks like. But like I said, you go up there to the top left and you click that arrow, then you go to the settings over here to the right. Then you find alarm sound. Once you click that, you can do a custom alarm sound, which I've already got mine set up. What you can do right here, just hit change custom sounds, and you can record up to 5 seconds. Like I put a police siren on mine, so when somebody walk up and it senses them, it'll start a siren to go off. Or you can just tell them to get away, whatever you want to do. So we're gonna go back and I'm gonna show you how it actually works. I'm here outside, I'm walking up to it. That's the sound. Thank you. Have a great day.